to my YouTube channel, and if you're just joining us for the first time, don't forget to support by hitting the subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below. It definitely means a lot and help our channel grow. So today guys, I'm going to be showing us two sites, or should I call it two apps, where you can make money. Now we all know, we've seen lots of videos or lots of tutorials showing us how to make money online. Now some of these are not easy, some of these are easy, some of this happens not to be true. You just waste your time, and at the end of the day you don't get paid. Now these sites, these two apps are apps in which you definitely get paid. Okay, you get paid, but if you're expecting to earn like $100, $1,000, no. This app, they pay you, but it will take you time. You have to gather if you're very consistent, you can be able to get a minimum amount of money in a short period of time. But if you get tired, like some of you don't really have time, you just try it and if it's not paying you at that moment, you chicken out. But if you know you have all the patience, you can be able to cash out some dollars from this. Okay, so I'm going to be showing us the two apps in which you need to have on your phone. I'm going to also be dropping the link on this description box below, where you can click for easy access to those apps. You can download them on your iPhone, and also, when I mean iPhone, like Apple Store, and also on Google Play Store, you can have access to these apps. So guys, the first app is Current Music. You can see it here, Current Music. It's actually an app that you get paid listening to songs. Okay, now in this app you don't get paid directly. You're given some points, and when these points get to a minimum amount of points, you're able to convert it to dollars and you get paid. Okay, all you have to do is you fill in the necessary form, because at the beginning when you register, they ask you to fill in some things: your gender, your name, a lot of things. And as you do those things, they give you coins, and when you're able to accumulate more coins, you get paid through PayPal. And also, when you're done registering those basic things for the first time, you get another one, like playing of music. Now you have the right to choose a kind of music, because what about the app is that when you download it, you are given the option to, if you like pop, you like jazz. They don't just give you music to listen to. You choose the kind of music you want to listen to, and that's one beautiful thing about the app. Okay, they are paying you, but they've given you the opportunity to choose the music you like listening to, not just forcing music on you. So what you have to do is that you choose the music you love, and at the end of the day, if you're very consistent, like I said from the beginning, you get paid for listening to those songs and doing a little bit of tax if there's any at that moment. And one thing about this app, I think it's accessible to lots of countries. Yeah, it doesn't really select your country. It's accessible here in my country, which is Nigeria. It's accessible in other countries out there. So the only way to know if it's accessible in your country is for you to download it and do the registration. And if it's accessible at that point, instantly, definitely you will. Guys, the second one is Toloka, Tloka. Okay, this one pays better than Current. Okay, it pays better. But now how this one works is that it gives you it comes with serious tax. It has exams. Some of the exams you have to answer them. When you do, you get paid. Now secondly, there are some tests you have to go through. It's like training. They train you. When you answer those questions, you don't get paid for the training. After training and you answer those questions correctly, then they'll automatically move you into the real exams that's going to be giving you some cents. Okay, now is this cents you're going to be accumulating to earn some reasonable amount of money. You can check and know how much is the threshold in which you can withdraw. Okay, that is all you have to do in this particular app, Toloka. You just have to do exams, do trainings. After the trainings, automatically you have exams to do that gives you money. So you don't need to do training, you just go straight to the point and do some training. And I kind of like Toloka. I like the way they operate. It's very fun too, because it teaches you a lot of things that you feel okay, they test your English skills and many things there. So guys, I hope these two apps will be able to bring some money to you. Okay, don't worry, I'm going to be coming back with next more video where you can have idea of more apps which you can earn more money. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, click on hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, leave on the comment section below what you think about these apps. If you've downloaded them, try it, and please feel free to come back and ask me more questions on this particular video concerning this particular topic. Okay, so don't forget guys, do have a nice day. I love you all, and bye.